This is the revision video for Unit B1, Controlling Plant Growth. You may have noticed that plant roots always grow downwards, or that plant shoots grow towards the light. A plant left on a windowsill, for example, will start to bend towards the light. If you want it to grow straight, you will have to keep turning it so all sides get some time in the light. These things do not happen by accident. Plants, as well as animals, can respond to stimuli, changes in their environment. Plants make chemicals called plant hormones or plant growth substances that control and coordinate the growth of roots and shoots, flowering, and ripening of fruits. A plant's response to a stimulus is known as a tropism. So plant shoots grow towards light. This is because plants need light for photosynthesis. If a plant is only exposed to light on one side, it will bend in that direction as it grows. This response to light is called positive phototropism. So how do plant shoots grow towards the light? Plants make a hormone called auxin that controls growth and that moves through the plant in solution. When light strikes one side of the shoot tip, more auxin builds up on the other side, the side furthest from the light. This causes the shoot to bend over towards the light. This increases the plant's chance of survival because it needs light to photosynthesize and make food. Auxin is a plant hormone that regulates the growth of certain parts of the plant. It is responsible for the shoots of a plant being positively phototropic. But how exactly does this work? Auxin is made in the shoot tip and becomes unevenly distributed when the shoot is exposed to light from one side. The auxin builds up on the side that is furthest from the light. This auxin then moves down the stem and causes the cells on the side of the shoot furthest from the light to elongate more than those nearest the light. This then causes the stem of the plant to bend towards the light. Plant roots do not grow towards light as they are underground. Instead, plant roots respond to the pull of gravity. Geotropism is the response of a plant to gravity. Roots grow downwards in response to the pull of gravity, so the roots of a plant are said to be positively geotropic. Auxins may be involved in this response to gravity, but other chemicals that inhibit plant growth also play a part in this response. So how could plant hormones be used in agriculture and horticulture to control the growth of plants? Plant hormones can be applied to plants to either speed up or slow down their growth. Auxins are used as selective weed killers. Rooting powder is used if cuttings are dipped into this auxin powder. It helps the cuttings to make new roots. With new roots, the cuttings can anchor into the soil and take up water and minerals. Fruit ripening can also be controlled by auxin. The auxin can be sprayed onto fruit trees to prevent the ripe fruit from dropping. It can then all be harvested at the same time and the fruit is not bruised by falling to the ground. Again, auxin can be used to control the dormancy of seeds. Seeds are usually dormant when they are shed from the parent plant. This stops them germinating at the end of summer, as new plants may not survive a harsh winter. However, if commercial growers want to germinate seeds in greenhouses during the winter, applying auxin can break the dormancy.